Welcome to our video. Indulgence meets conscious eating in the harmonious embrace of our latest culinary creation, the vegan mushroom burger. This recipe invites you to step into a world where flavor knows no compromise and every bite is a celebration of both taste and ethics. Let's get cooking. Ingredients for the mushroom patties: 16 oz of 450 gram, mushrooms cleaned and finely chopped, 1 small onion finely chopped, 3 cloves garlic minced, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 cup cooked quinoa and half cup breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, salt and black pepper to taste. For the vegan sauce, a half cup, vegan mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. For assembling: whole wheat burger buns, lettuce leaves, sliced tomatoes, sliced red onion, avocado slices, additional toppings as desired. Prepare the mushroom patties. Heat olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add chopped onions and saute until translucent. Add minced garlic and chopped mushrooms. Cook until the mushrooms release their moisture and it evaporate, about 8 to 10 minutes. Stir in soy sauce, smoked paprika, salt, and black pepper. Cook for an additional 2 minutes. Remove from heat and let it cool slightly. Prepare the vegan sauce. In a small bowl, whisk together vegan mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, maple syrup, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Adjust the flavors to your preference. Set aside. Grill or cook the patties. Heat a grill pan or skillet over medium heat. Brush with a bit of oil to prevent sticking. Assemble the burgers. Slice the burger buns in half and lightly toast them if desired. Place a lettuce leaf on top of the sauce, followed by a mushroom patty. Layer with tomato slices, red onion slices, and avocado. Savor each bite of this mouth-watering burger, celebrating the flavors of wholesome plant-based ingredients. Ready to shed those extra pounds and trim that stubborn belly fat naturally. Click the link below to discover a proven, science-backed method to achieve your weight loss goals while maintaining a healthy, sustainable lifestyle. Thanks for watching. To view more videos, please like, comment, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.